Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a topic that's crucial for anyone who uses a computer or a smartphone, data backup. In this video we'll be explaining what data backup is, why it's important and how you can create a backup of your data quickly and easily. But before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any future videos. Alrighty, let's get into today's episode. Data backup is the process of creating a copy of your important files and documents and storing them in a secure location. The purpose of this process is to ensure that your data is protected from data loss due to things like hardware failure, software malfunctions, cyber attacks, or even natural disasters. There are several ways to create a data backup, including using an external hard drive, a cloud-based storage service, or specially designed backup software. So, why do we need to back up our data? Well, data loss can be unpredictable and it can happen at any time, and losing important files can have some pretty serious consequences. With that in mind, here are a few reasons why it's essential to regularly back up your data. Firstly, data loss can occur for a lot of reasons such as hardware failure, software malfunctions, cyber attacks, or even natural disasters. Having a backup of your data ensures that you can easily recover your files and documents, even if they're lost or damaged. Secondly, no matter how careful you are, accidents can happen at any time. For example, your computer or smartphone could get stolen or damaged, your hard drive could crash, or your device could be infected with a virus or malware. Having a backup of your data ensures that you can easily recover your important files and documents, even if your device is no longer usable. And three, if you don't have a backup of your data, recovering lost files can be a time-consuming and frustrating process, especially if you have to recreate important documents from scratch. Having a backup ensures that you can easily restore your files and documents without having spent hours trying to recover lost data. So, how do you create a backup of your data? Well, creating a backup of your data doesn't have to be a complicated process, and here are a few tips to help you create a backup of your data quickly and efficiently. The first step in creating a backup is to determine what data needs to be backed up. This can include important documents, photos, videos, and any other data that you don't want to lose. Next, we need to choose the right backup method. There are several ways to create a backup of your data, such as using an external hard drive, a cloud-based storage service, or specialized backup software like Wondershare UBackit. So choose the method that works best for you and your needs. If you're using backup software, setting up automatic backups ensures that your data is regularly backed up without you having to lift a finger. And finally, it's important to regularly test your backups to make sure that they're working properly, as this can help you to avoid any surprises when you need to restore your data. Well, there you have it. That was a brief overview of what data backup is and why it's important for people to regularly back up their data. Remember, accidents can happen at any time and losing important data can have some serious consequences. So take the time to create a backup of your data today and you'll have the peace of mind knowing your important files and documents are safe and secure. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out Wondershare UBackit for an easy data backup solution. I'm Dan and I'll see you next time.